Okay, so I am going to be unboxing my new canvas lamp. I have wanted one for forever. I bought this on Amazon and you can get it on their website and I think it's actually a better price, but I had Amazon gift cards. So my giant Amazon box. I don't know if this is gonna be hard to put together. I hope not. I have my super handy box cutter here and we're gonna open it up. It's a box inside a box. That's surprising. I've had other phone holders and lamps and they're always like not sturdy, don't hold the phone well, don't provide good light. And this one just looked so good. So I'm hoping that it is. It's another box inside the box. Oh, so good. Oh, it's multiple boxes. Okay. The base seems heavy, so that's a good sign. More boxes to go live in my garage for a ridiculous amount of time. Okay, so this says it's the weighted lamp base, and it's pretty heavy. And then I'm guessing this has, yeah, this has the lamp part in it. Okay, so I'm gonna open the base first. If I open this and it's like super easy to assemble, I'm gonna be so excited. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing when I'm opening it up. Lots of bubble wrap. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, so here's the base. Let's get this box out of the way. What is it about a good box that I'm like, oh, I should keep this. This is a good box. I should not keep it though. I should definitely get rid of it. Okay, so this is what we got in here. See if I can actually hold this up where you can see it without dumping it all out. Okay, so we have this little card that's got information on it. And then all of the stuff is in here. Okay, so all of this stuff for the lamp, and let me see what's in this little box. Okay, so this looks like a way to plug it in. And then here is, this is, assuming so that if you wanted to, you could like mount it on a table or a desk. But I'm gonna see. And there's an Allen wrench and a sticker. And this is information on what all came with it. Kind of some brief instructions. And let's see what we have in here. Here's the cord. And here is where you put the phone. Okay. Let's see how easy this is to screw in. Hopefully it's super easy, because I am challenged by this sort of thing. I don't even think you screw it in. I think you just set it down in there and then tighten this. So that is easy. And I'm gonna undo the cord. Right now I'm wondering if I have a power outlet behind me. I don't know if I do or not. So, plug this in here. Ah, I do have a power outlet behind me. Wonderful. Okay. Ah, light. Well, that was the easiest thing to put together ever. Let's see, this looks like it will be more than big enough to hold the phone. Wonderful. I love it already. So I'm gonna turn the light out. Okay, so that was it. That's my new canvas lamp, and hopefully there will be cool new content to come now that I have this awesome lamp. Ah, so excited.